Hey friends, let's learn how to play Most People I Know on Guitar by Billy Thorpe. So for our intro we have A for a bar. We're going to hit the root note first, so you can hit the root note and the root underneath it. And then up, down, up, and that's half a bar, and we do A for a bar. So then we go into an A7 sus4, we do that for half a bar. And then an A7 sus2 we do for half a bar. You do that 2 times for the intro, so let's give that a go. Then for our verse, we'll repeat that again. A for a bar, A7 sus4 for half a bar, A7 sus2 for half a bar, D for half a bar, A for half a bar, G for half a bar, and E for half a bar. We do that through 4 times. Let's do that now. From there we start to repeat. We just do the intro again, and then we do the verse another 3 times, and then the 4th time we're going to stop after the A7. So do it through 3 times, and then we have, and just stop on that A7 sus2. Then we go back to the intro again, then the verse again, then we just do the solo, and it's got no rhythm, and we'll cover that at the end. And then we have the bridge. So we're just going to play an A, and we're going to hold for 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go to this A7 sus4 over G. So just play the A7 sus4, add the low G note in there, and then do that again, and to A. And we just do that 2 times, and that's our bridge. And then from there we're just going back to the intro again, back to the verse again, and then we have our outro solo. So let's look at all of our solos now. So we're going to start with 7, pull off to 5 on the G, play 7 on the D, then do a half bend on the 5 on the G, and then go back to 7 on the D, and then do that another 4 times. And do that 3 times there. Do that 3 times, and then we repeat it again. 7, pull off to 5 on the G, 7 D, little half bend on the 5G, and then just play 7, and then we repeat that through 2 times, and we do the whole section through 2 times. That last bit. So let me play that first part for you. Repeat that through 2 times. And then the next part is sort of palm muting a little bit of it. We're just going to play the first section once, and then play the second section 2 times. And repeat that through 4 times there. And then to finish that off, we're going to do the start part again. 7, pull off to 5, 7, 5, bend and 7. So then we're going to come up to the B string, 10, pull off to 8, 9G, little bend on the 8, and then the 9, we'll do that 3 times on the G, and then come up to the 13 on the B. We're going to play that, and then do 15, pull off to 13, so 14 on the G, 13, little bend again on the B, and then 14 3 times. And then to finish that off, we have our bridge. We're just going to slide up to 14 on the B, play it again and slide back to 12, then play 12, slide up to 14, 12, slide up to 14, and do that 2 times. And that's the first solo there. let's have a look at the outro solo. Now we're going to start with a bend on the 8B and play 5 on the E 2 times and do that 4 times. Then play 5 again on the E, 8 pull off to 5, 8 on the B, and do that again, 5, 8 pull off to 5, 8 on the B, and again 5, 8 pull off to 5, and then B, 8, 5, G, 5, and then we're going to do 7G, bend and release, pull off to 5, and do that 4 times. And stay on G7, 5, D7, G5, back to D7, 5, and then a bend and release on 7 on the G, pull off to 5, and 7D. Now we go back to that first riff again, 8, 5, 5, 8, 5, 5, and then 5E, 8B, back to E, 5, 5, B, 8, 5. Then we're going to do a little half bend on 7E, bend, release, pull off to 5, 8B, back to 5 on the E 2 times. Now we're coming up to 12G, 14 on the G. We're going to do a bend on 13 on the B, and we do that 3 times, so 1, 2, 3. Then the 4th time release it and play 14 on the G, so. And then we just do B, 15 pull off to 13, 14 G, 13 B, and do that again, 15, 13, 14, 13, and then B, 15, 13. Now we're going to bend on 15 on the B, and we're just going to repeat that 10 times. So. And then we're going to keep doing that, but we're going to add the 15E in, so we're still bending on the 15 on the B. And let the bend come down as you're doing that, and then we just play 15, pull off to 13, 14 G, 13 B, 14, 12 on the G. Then we're going to start on the G, bend on 19, B, 17, bend on 20, on the B, 17E, and repeat that there. And then we have 20, pull off to 17, 20B, 17E, back to B, 20, 17, to G, bend and release on 19, pull off to 17, 19, 17, D, 19, G, 17, D, 19, 17, 19, 17, and finish on 19 on the A.